Are you experiencing bloating, fatigue, or irritability? These symptoms might indicate a problem with your gut health. Healing your gut can significantly enhance your overall well-being. Let's delve into how to naturally restore your gut, step by step. Firstly, it's crucial to recognize that gut health is vital for your complete wellness. Your gut plays a key role in digesting food and affecting our immune function. Begin by cutting processed foods from your diet. Opt for whole, nutrient-rich foods like fresh fruits and vegetables instead. Next, add fermented foods into your meals. Items such as yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut help promote beneficial bacteria. Don't forget the importance of staying hydrated. Strive to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. This will help keep your digestion flowing smoothly. Consider incorporating probiotics into your daily routine. These supplements may help balance your gut microbiome. Additionally, it's essential to manage stress effectively. Practicing deep breathing or yoga can also support your gut's health significantly. Quality sleep each night is vital. Restful sleep aids in the process of digestion and healing. Envision your gut as a garden. Nourish it with healthy foods while removing harmful options. A healthy gut cultivates a healthy life. In conclusion, emphasize whole foods and proper hydration. Embrace stress management techniques and ensure you get quality sleep. Initiate your journey toward improved gut health starting today. Take action now by making one small adjustment. To embark on healing your gut, concentrate on manageable changes. Start by replacing one processed snack daily with fresh fruit or nuts. You'll soon notice increased energy and improved mood. As you become more mindful of your choices, aim for balanced meals filled with diverse nutrients. Try new recipes featuring a variety of vegetables and healthy fats. This transition can be enjoyable as you explore nourishing flavors. Gradually, these changes will support a thriving gut microbiome, which is crucial for overall health. Remain dedicated to this process and celebrate every small victory. Healing your gut is a journey, not merely a goal. Stay committed, and the benefits will soon become evident, leading you to a healthier, happier version of yourself. To further boost your gut health, adopt mindful eating habits. Pay attention to hunger cues and chew slowly for improved digestion. Create a calm atmosphere during meals, free from distractions, to deepen your connection with food. Your gut thrives on the care you provide, leading to a more harmonious digestive experience. Combine this mindfulness with your dietary changes to maximize your gut health improvements. These practices are essential for achieving a balanced, vibrant life. By prioritizing your gut health and following these guidelines, you'll cultivate a solid foundation for overall well-being. Make every action purposeful and watch how your body flourishes in response to your commitment. A healthier gut opens the door to a life filled with vitality and happiness. Start today and transform your life for the better.